Exciting announcement. PocketFi new airdrop. Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the PocketFi airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump into the video. PocketFi listing price. What to expect for $Switch. As anticipation builds around PocketFi's official debut, industry analysts have shared their projections for the initial listing price of its governance token, $Switch. Estimates suggest that $Switch will enter the market price between $0.0034 and $0.0056, reflecting growing interest in PocketFi's innovative DeFi solutions and its robust tokenomics. The token distribution model further strengthens the outlook for $Switch. With 51% of the total supply allocated to mining rewards, PocketFi ensures that long-term platform participants are well incentivized. Additionally, 24% of the tokens are allocated to the core team, aligning the developers' interests with the success of the platform, while 25% is reserved for the DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, empowering the community to steer the platform's future. This careful balance of incentives positions PocketFi as a sustainable and community-driven DeFi project, ready to make its mark. Early investors and DeFi enthusiasts are keeping a close watch on this projected price range. As a governance token, $Switch will not only carry value but also offer holders a direct role in decision-making processes such as voting on new protocol integrations, platform upgrades, and strategic partnerships. This dual utility, as both an investment asset and a governance tool, makes $Switch a key pillar in PocketFi's ecosystem. PocketFi TG, listing and airdrop, ushering a new era in DeFi. PocketFi's token generation event, TG, along with the listing of $Switch and an accompanying airdrop, is set to be one of the most significant DeFi milestones of Q4 2025. This launch is expected to draw significant attention from the global crypto community, eager to see how PocketFi's fresh take on decentralized finance will unfold. To reward its early supporters and foster deeper community engagement, PocketFi will be conducting a strategic airdrop targeting early adopters, testers, and active community members. While the exact date of the airdrop has not yet been officially confirmed, it is slated to occur before the 30th of the quarter. This initiative aims to not only reward loyal users but also to bootstrap decentralized governance by distributing $Switch tokens to those most committed to the platform's vision. Participants in the airdrop will receive $Switch tokens, which will empower them to vote on governance proposals and shape the platform's roadmap, support new DeFi protocol integrations, influence decisions on future partnerships and platform enhancements, participate in liquidity mining and staking programs, further expanding their influence and earning potential. With its carefully structured launch strategy, PocketFi is setting the stage for a strong market entry. The combination of its governance-first approach, incentivized community participation, and well-thought-out token distribution underlines its ambition to become a major player in the DeFi space. As we count down to the listing, TG, and the much-anticipated airdrop, PocketFi invites users and investors alike to stay engaged and prepare for what could be one of DeFi's most promising projects of the year. Stay tuned for more updates, official airdrop announcements, and key dates as PocketFi gears up to redefine decentralized finance. Stay tuned to the Crypto Pearl channel for more updates and tasks related to the upcoming token launch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the PocketFi in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching, *.